নমস্কাৰ সকলোকে মেথছ বাই সুজিত নামৰ ইউটিউব চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। যিসকলে ভিডিঅ'টো চাই আছে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি থ'ব আৰু লগতে সাইডত থকা বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি থ'ব। সো লাষ্ট ক্লাছত মই পঢ়াই আছিলোঁ পলষ্টাৰ একাডেমীৰ ফিজিক্সৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট চেপ্টাৰটো। সো টুডে আই উইল অলসো কন্টিনিউ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট চেপ্টাৰ অফ ফিজিক্স। হোৱাট ৱাজ দ্য চেপ্টাৰ? মেজাৰমেণ্ট। সো today we will learn measurement of volume. So what is volume? Volume means the space that is occupied by some special objects or solids. Like what was the total space occupied by that? You have to calculate the volume of a cube or sphere like that. So today I will discuss the formulas for calculating the volume. So student, let's start. So our today's part is what? Volume. Volume. So first you have to find volume of a cube. Means cube. What does you basically mean by a cube? Like Rubik's cube you have seen. Cube. This type of cube. This is a total object. We have to find the space occupied by the all these objects. Like this is a cube, and in cube all the sides are equal. Like we have discussed in the first part that in square all the sides are equal. Like that in a cube all sides are equal in length. Like a here all sides are equal. So if you have to find the volume of a cube, then the formula will be what? Here all sides are equal in length, so volume will be a cube. And this is the volume of a cube, and here a is what? Side of the cube. This is the formula for volume of a cube. Next thing we will learn volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. In cube, what was there? All sides are equal, but the difference between cube and cuboid is in cuboid all sides are not equal. Like you can be given like this. This is a cuboid. Here the formula for volume is L into B into H. Here what is L? L means length. Length of the cuboid. This is length. B means breadth. B means breadth, means this one. Breadth of the cuboid. This is length, and H means height of the cuboid. This is height. So if you multiply length into breadth into height, then formula is L into B into H. Now see what we have learned. In cube all the sides are equal. If this is a cube, all sides have to be equal in length. So cube is also a type of cuboid. So if we are calculating the volume of a cube, and this is also a type of cuboid, so volume of cuboid is what? L into B into H. Here L is also A, B is also A, H is also A, means A into A. What have come? A cube. This is the volume of a cube, and this is cuboid. Here I have derived how the volume of a cube is given. Next thing we will learn volume of a cylinder. Volume of a, what is cylinder? You have seen like in your households also, cylinder is like this. cylinder. Two circular plates are there in the upper and bottom side, and one is cylindrical shape. So the formula for cylinder is V equal to pi into r square into h. So I have told you that value of pi is what, 22/7 or 3.14, and r is what, radius of the surface. Like this circular surface, this is radius, upper part also, this is radius. So radius of the circular surface, r, radius of the circular surface, and h is what, this is height, this height is called h. This is the formula for cylinder. Next two more shapes are there. Next shape is cone. Cone means Homet ka honku. This is called cone. This type of thing. This is cone. Like here, circular shape is at the bottom, and upper part is triangular shape. You have to find volume of this. So radius of this circular plate is r, and height, total height, this height is called h. So you have to find volume. Volume is what, 1/3 into pi into r square into h. I have described you what is r. R is radius of the circular face, and h is height. This is for cone. Next, we will learn volume of a sphere. Sphere means this type of thing. Like sphere means like a football or cricket ball. So you have to find total volume of that ball. So then you will be given only one identity, r. Here r is radius. So here radius, here volume will be what, 4/3 into pi into r cube. This is the formula for sphere. And what is the value of pi? 22/7 or 3.14. So student, in today's class we have learned volume of some particular objects, and in the previous class we have learned area of some particular shapes. So whatever the questions in the textbook in these topics, so I will provide the answers in PDF format. I will pin up the answers in the comment section of this video. You will just click on the comment in this video, and the link, I will provide a Google Drive link. You will just click on that link, and you will be going to the PDF part of that answer sheet. So you just need to click on the comment section of this video, and I will pin up that PDF. So thank you. This is all for today. Okay.